Hey K1 friends, welcome to a Wednesday. Let's go ahead. We are one more day and April is done.
How is that
Crazy?
even possible? The whole month of
know.
April we've been learning at home.
That's
That's
true.
sad.
Wow. So what comes after April? Who knows? April, May. We have one birthday. It'll be Hallie's birthday at the end of May.
My dad's
Actually,
birthday is the end of May.
Is that our last day? When's our last day? The 26th?
23rd, I think.
Oh, so it's after.
Or the 22nd, something like that.
So yeah, so she
Did
always
we do a
comes.
6-month for her?
Yes, we did.
Ah.
So yeah, so we had that, but we'll still remember it. We'll put it on the calendar. All right, let's read another question, our sentence. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020, and our kindergarten of the week was Silas. Posted his poster the other day. It looked awesome.
Yay!
And so hopefully we'll see some other things. Maybe he'll read us some clues as to something.
Ooh, that'd be fun.
Or his favorite book. All right, let's move on over here. How many days have we been in school? 147. 147 days. Smarter you all are. Use that same number in your math binder. Find number 7. Make sure you have 7 stickers.
Mrs. Anderson, your carrots are expensive.
I know they are.
Compared
it's a
to
whole
like
bunch
the
of
tennis
carrots.
shoes.
It's a bunch of carrots.
Sorry.
That's all good. I had to use a big number today. It's been a while. So yes, pause it if you need to. If you haven't done any of that yet. We'll move on over here to Wormy's page. We're tracing the number today. So find 147. Trace that. And then move on over. Tooth graph will pass over. I haven't heard anything. To our April calendar. We're on our last line. Yesterday was 28, so today is 29. If you need practice counting, go ahead and count all the days. You can count it in English and Spanish, or maybe you know another language, and you can do it that way.
We should do we should do enrichment videos. That'd be fun.
It would be. Have Pepe come.
I know.
That would be very cool. So yes, I know a few friends that could probably count pretty far in Spanish. So practice that before we finish our month of April. All right, today is a group of 4. I don't know, why is that one different? Okay. 2 groups of 5 and a group of 4. And then check out your weather.
That's different.
I know. I'll figure it out and I'll adjust it if I need to later. Check out your window. Can't talk today.
It's beautiful this
I
week.
know. And put out, I have a feeling what's going to win.
It's going to be hot today, actually. It is. Really hot. Like almost 85.
I wish I had a pool. If you have a pool, have fun.
You are so
Enjoy
lucky.
it. All right. And then let's move on. We are on our theme of +0. So let's move on over here. I've got the whole 10 frame filled. So if it's a 10 frame, how many are in there? Do you need to count or do you just know? You should know. Or if you know that this is 5 and that's 5, so 5 plus 5, 10. So 10 plus 0 equals 10. You could also write it like this. 0 red plus 10 blue.
Oh, that's a good point.
Equals 10. Both of those are just, you flip the numbers. So it's part of called a fact family. So you have the 2 addition sentences just from those 3 numbers. First grade knows a lot about that.
Yes.
So we're going to write this over here. I'm going to grab my blue pen, and you're just going to fill in all the boxes with a dot. So 10 plus 0 equals 10. Or you can write it the other way, that there's 0 red and 10 blue. All right, let's do our how much is it, which were carrots. Carrots are 75 cents. Think of a way that you can make 75 cents. There are many ways. I'm going to do one that's one to remember, to memorize. How many quarters would I need to make 75 cents? What do you think? If you said 3, you are correct. So there's 25. 2 quarters is 50. And one more makes 75 cents. So those are ones sometimes it's just easier to remember. But 3 quarters is 75 cents. All right, we're going to make our bunch of carrots. Or 1 carrot, whatever you want to make. There's my 2. Needs its green tops. And it's 75 cents. So I'm going to do my 3 quarters. And there's that. All right. Go ahead and read the April poem. Look for even some of our sight words in here if you haven't done so already. We only have today and tomorrow, and then we'll have a new poem. And the same with your April song. Fill in the blanks if you haven't yet. And the flower, how it grows. Do that 2 more days, and we'll have a new one. All right, first grade. Let's move on to yours. Today is, what is today? Wednesday. So you're going to circle Wednesday, Wednesday, April. You're going to write the date. Then you're going to write the code date, which is 4-29-20. Today's date you're writing out is 29. And how many days we've been in school is 147. So the decimal goes between the 1 and the 4. Don't forget the dollar sign. You're going to show that much money, $1.47. And then write how many days you've been in school here, 147. 10 less, 10 more, 2 less, 2 more. And then that same number down here with the base 10 blocks.
And odd or even.
And is 29 odd or even? I need to move this.
You do.
In a different spot.
Like maybe up high, I don't know.
'Cause
Like
there's
on
been-
top of the 29.
Because there's been friends, I know we've always, even in class, we sometimes forget it. All right, that is today's math binder work for Wednesday, and we'll see you later. Bye.